Good morning. Now we are in tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, we learn unbalanced problem and maximization problem. Unit content already we have learn explain in tutorial 1. For solving the unbalanced problem, we require the assignment methods or rules. Already I have explained these rules in tutorial 1, but in short again I will explain in this tutorial. Check whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced. When the problem is unbalanced, then we add the dummy. After second rule, select the minimum value in the row and these values subtract in that row. Third, select the minimum value in the column and subtract these value from that element on the column. Now third rule, when the allocations not getting the correct allocation, then we use the line by method. In this line by method, we cover the all zeros by using number of lines is equal to number of allocations. Then after when the two lines are intersected, then that time addition will take place, and when the simple line is passing on the numbers, then we don't do anything. But where the line does not passes, then find out the minimum value in the table and subtract these value from that numbers. Simple. These are the method to solve the unbalanced problem or also balanced problem. Now we see here unbalanced problem. Question number 1. 4 machine M1, M2, M3 and M4 are to be installed in a machine shop. There are 5 vacant places A, B, C, D and E available. Because of limited space, machine M2 cannot be placed at C and M3 cannot place at A. Assign the machine I to respective location with the minimum cost. Here 4 machine and 5 vacant place are given. Then this problem is unbalanced because of another one machine is required for the balance the problem. That's why we are use the dummy. Machine number 5 added the each column 1 1 0, then the problem will be in balanced condition. The M5 row called as dummy. Now same rule again we use for unbalanced problem. Then after it will be balanced. First calculated R minimum. For R minimum, select the minimum value in the row. In this row, 4 is minimum value. 4 is minimum value. This 4 subtract from all of this. Then 4 minus 4 is 0 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 10 minus 4 is 6 and 5 minus 4 is 1 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Same. Here infinity will be given in this table. Do not take out any tension. Kept as it is in the table. Don't do anything is subtract, addition, minus. This is an infinity. Do not use. Then simple. Then after in second row, 4 is minimum and this value subtract all of these. And third row 2 is minimum. And fourth row 2 is minimum and fifth row 0 is 0. Think that here fifth row all are 0. Then for C minimum the R minimum table is same because of all column contain 0. That means minimum value is 0. 0 minus anything is anything. That's why we do not do any calculation. Carry this table as it is here. Now allocations. For allocations purpose we use first. I will explain for the allocations rules. When 2 zeros are available in the rows, then leave it. But when 1 0 are available, then select those row. Then select those 0 and available in row and column deleted. Here only one zero available at AM1, and in this column M5 is 0, then deleted. Check it here, 1 0 available and M5 0 deleted. Now second two zeros are available, leave it. And third 1 0 available, then I will select, and available 0 are deleted here. Then after 1 0 is available here, M4, and available 0 deleted, and last the 0 deleted, this does not deleted, then select the 0, then after only 1 0 select and delete it. Now allocation is completed. This is a simple unbalanced problem. This will also ask in 5 to 6 marks, but 8 marks unbalanced problem. In after this allocation does not getting, then line by method is used and find out the total cost of the machine. Now unbalanced problem, I have a given question for you, solve and get the answer. I will also answer will be given. For solving this problem, 2 times line by method is used, then does not get the total cost or allocations correct. That's why we return 4 workers are working on a machine and 1 worker is shifted to other department. You can try to solve in 2 times by using line by method. Then after third time that does not getting the correct allocation, then we return the simple sentence, how many worker available, then that's why 5 worker, but here 4 workers allocation, then 4 worker are working on a machine and 1 worker is shifted to other department or ideal in condition. Now maximization problem. In maximization problem, this problem convert into minimization. If problem is maximization, then convert it into minimization problem. Provide a negative sign to all the element in a matrix and proceed as minimization problem. In the table, 14 is maximum number. In this table, 14 minus 5 is, then subtract the all value in the 14. Consider the maximum value from maximization matrix. Deduct all the other element from this maximum value and rewrite the new value at corresponding location. This new matrix will be called as loss matrix and proceed as minimization problem for a profit, sales and production. New reduced sale. This 14 will be select as maximum number and subtract the all minimum values. Then we get the new reduced sale where 14 is available, then 0 zeros are written. Correct. Now same procedure will carried out for this maximization problem. The R minimum and C minimum you can calculate you own. Then after we get the new allocation, direct I will given table, allocation table, 1 2 3 4 5 machines are available, 5 workers are working on the machine. Here C R minimum, C minimum I will calculated, but direct I will return here new allocation. Then you can solve and check the answers. Then now total cost is 15. These are the maximization problem. Now we are in the tutorial number 2. In tutorial 3 we are solving the traveling salesman problem and traveling salesman problem with assignment with restriction. Thank you.